Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about one of the customization. Using this customization, you can restrict entry in ledgerways. That means if you need to block some entry using some specific ledgers, you can block that ledgers using this module. I will show you how to load this TCP. After that, we will discuss how to block this one. Okay. For that, we need to download this TCP file. You can download this TCP in our online shop. I have this TCP. I'm going to load this TCP file. This is the TCP file. I'm just copying this TCP location path and copy this location. Again, go to help, TDL and add-on, then manage local TDL, load selected TDL file on startup, make it yes, then paste that location here, enter and save. So the TCP was loaded now. Here you can see I created two ledger. One is ABC customer, then second one is XYZ customer. These both are my customers. So I need to block entry against this customer. So go to open this customer master. Then here we can see there is an additional feature stop billing. So make it yes. Then I save this master. Again, you can't make invoice against that customer. Here you can see ABC customer. I select the ABC customers. This message will appear. Billing temporary closed against ABC customers private limited. Please contact your administrator. If I select XYZ, it will work. In this way, we can restrict sales against some ledgers, or you need to block some ledger transaction. That also possible using this method. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for getting more free videos.